Hey everyone! Halloween is just around the corner and we are so ready. We've got our pumpkin and we've got our super cool acrylic markers and we are ready to create a spooky and silly masterpiece. Today we are doing a no-carve pumpkin decorating session, turning this pumpkin into a colorful creation with spooky elements like spiders and webs. It's a fun and easy way to get into the Halloween spirit without all the mess. So stick around to see our final pumpkin and get some inspiration for your own family Halloween fun. Okay, let's get started. So, Theo, you can draw whatever you want on this side of the pumpkin.
Just like the pumpkin here?
Like right here, this side, the top side. Okay, stand up.
Okay.
Mommy is standing.
See, it's too tall for me.
Yeah, but like you can just bend over a little bit. This is the top of the pumpkin, and I am just gonna draw some spider webs first.
There's two spiders.
You wanna draw two spiders?
Yeah.
I don't think the red is gonna show much because this is an orange pumpkin and you are using red on it. I think you might have to use white first, Theo.
Maybe.
Right? Does
See?
it show?
Yeah, I can see red on there.
Okay, so this is a white marker. So what you can do, okay, maybe I'll help you first. Okay, so this is a white marker. And what do you want to draw?
A window.
You want to draw a window? Okay, so I'm gonna draw like this, like a window.
I can draw my side.
On your side? I'm just gonna give this white marker to you very soon, okay? And I think you can, so I think you can shade it all in. Here you go.
Shade it all in? Okay.
Yeah, shade it all in.
Shade it all in?
Yep, you can shade it all in, and then we're gonna paint some colorful windows. I'm gonna help you here. So make sure that we cover all of the area.
I'll do the colors now.
We're gonna wait for the paint to dry first. So we're using acrylic markers. And what's good about acrylic markers is that, you know, it has really good coverage, but you know, the downside is that it takes a while to dry. So you kind of have to wait for the paint to dry before you put another color on. Okay, and we're using white acrylic marker first because we want to draw some color windows. And the colors are really difficult to show on this orange pumpkin. Yeah, you can draw another window if you want.
What's here?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, that's silly. Silly window. Maybe I'll be square window.
Okay. That's a window, and we're gonna wait for it to dry. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to draw some spider webs.
How could I draw more spider webs? There'll be some spider on another spider web. It's next to this window. And the spider say, "Ooh." E. 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 Look, the
Let me
spider.
see.
Look at the
Wow, that's a cool spider. It's a white spider.
spider. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna use black to draw the spider. Okay. So but first, look here. I'm gonna draw some curved lines like this for the spider webs. You draw the web first, and then I'm gonna draw the spider. There's a spider web. Do you want to use your black markers and help me?
Of course.
You can draw some curved lines to connect these two lines.
Mine's way bigger than you are.
Wow, why is yours so much thicker than mine? You're using a different marker.
Maybe I should use this one. See? Is this cool?
Yep, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna draw a hanging spider from here, okay? You can draw a spider from here as well.
Maybe I just want a spider in here. See? It comes all the way here. You see? It's drawn all the way here.
I can't really see from the camera because you drew it on the side of the pumpkin.
Yeah.
If you want the camera to see, then you have to draw on the top of the pumpkin.
See the other side?
The other side, right there. We're drawing another window right there, and we're gonna color in with white, and we'll follow by drawing some colorful window panes.
There's no spider in this.
No spider here.
Yeah, only this spider has one.
Only that window has a spider.
But white spider will be white here.
Okay, we got 3 windows. A white spider?
Yeah.
Never seen a white spider before. The spider has 4 legs on each side. So I want a door maybe here and then 2 windows on the side. How about that?
Good idea.
Good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna draw this, okay? I'm gonna draw another window first. The door is in the middle if you're drawing a door.
I just draw here. Spider's coming now.
So I'm gonna use a pink color for the window pane. Right there. Maybe one on this one as well. A big spider web. Come on, let's go. Wow, that is one big spider web. And there you have it. Our spooky and colorful pumpkin creation is complete. We had such a blast doing this together, and the best part is there was no mess to clean up from carving. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.